Welcome to part 3. I will show you how to wire and install the C-Flow 3-way bilge pump rocker switch into the switch panel box. Let's get started. Crimp a female disconnect on the end of each of the 3 wires from the bilge pump. Make sure they are tight and secure. Slide heat shrink tubes over the terminals. Use a heat gun or other heat source to seal the heat shrink tube around the terminals. Cut a piece of red positive and black negative wire 12 inches long. Strip both ends of the wires. Slide a heat shrink tube over the wire and crimp a ring terminal to one end and a female disconnect to the other end. Use a heat gun or other heat source to seal the heat shrink tube around the terminals. Run the 12-inch positive and negative wires through the panel box and out the other side. Attach the positive wire to one of the positive terminals on the fuse block. Tighten securely. Remove one of the screws from the negative terminal. Attach the negative wire to the negative terminal on the fuse block. Tighten securely. Slide the fuse block back into the panel box. Insert the bilge pump wires into a split loom tubing. Insert the ends of the wires up through the bottom hole and out the front of the panel box. When a bilge pump switch has a built-in circuit breaker, you will use a jumper wire to make the connection. Open the bilge pump switch package and remove the jumper wire. Connect one end of the jumper wire to the top terminal on the circuit breaker and the other end to the center terminal on the switch. Connect a double male tab terminal to the top left terminal on the switch. Connect the black negative wire from the fuse box to one of the double male tabs. Connect the black negative wire from the bilge pump to the other double male tab. Connect the brown wire from the bilge pump to the top terminal on the switch. Connect the red positive wire from the pump to the lower terminal on the switch. Connect the red positive wire from the fuse box to the lower terminal on the circuit breaker. Insert the three-way bilge pump switch into the switch panel box. Drill 7 64-inch pilot holes and screw the switch to the panel box. Insert the positive and negative wires from the terminal post through the bottom of the panel box. Drill 7 64-inch pilot holes and attach the terminal post cap to the panel box. Place the bilge pump and terminal post wires inside the battery box. Install a fuse for the bilge pump. Install the battery box. Install the bilge pump. Push the wires down beside the battery box. Install the battery. Temporarily connect the positive wire from the panel switch box to the positive post on the battery. Push the wire down beside the battery box. Connect the negative wire from the panel switch box to the negative post on the battery. Test the switches and make sure they light up and work properly. Label the fuses. Drill 7 64-inch pilot holes and attach the fuse box post cap to the panel box. Install the second screw in the front of the terminal post cap. Connect all of the red positive wires to the positive battery post. Connect all the black negative wires to the negative battery post. Tighten the nut securely, but do not over-tighten. Use zip ties to keep the wires together. Make sure the reset buttons for both motors are facing up on top for easy access if needed. Install the battery box cover. The switch panel box and power center installation is complete. Thanks for watching.